Hey, it's Matt Lewis here. You really can't get anywhere in life without education. As you all have shared in your videos, manufacturing has all kinds of jobs that you can do with a bunch of different educational paths. Luckily, here in the Lehigh Valley, we have an amazing array of educational opportunities that I'll share in my next Manufacturing Minute Challenge. There are 4 career and technical education schools within Carbon, Lehigh, and Northampton counties. These schools will teach you a trade that you can put to work right out of high school or give you the building blocks to go further. There are a couple of amazing 2-year colleges that will provide certificates and 2-year degrees in all kinds of areas that are great for manufacturing jobs. There are 9 4-year schools to choose from that can give you a degree or continuing education for a manufacturing career. And of course, many manufacturers provide on-the-job training. Any education path can lead to a great manufacturing career. It's just figuring out what's the right one for you. But it's good to know you can get these skills near home. And that's another Manufacturing Minute.